Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you all well, and for my side I have a little bit of hay fever, so stuffy nose and itchy eyes, but with a little bit makeup, so I think I'll be fine for now. So I got so exciting to share with you guys. This is from Coach. I'm calling all Coach love. So before we move on to my unboxing, I would like to tell a little bit story of my bag. So I've always wanted to have a white one, and I wanted something that is not too expensive. So I checked onto Coach and I found the bag that I really love. And the bag that I really like is gonna be much into the slipper that I bought from Las Vegas as well. So I'm gonna be unboxing two items, which is my husband's shoes. I'm just gonna show you. My husband loved the first Coach trainer, so I got him one this time as well with my bag. So Coach is getting better. About 2 to 3 years ago, they started to do a better quality of their bags, the design, the leather, the materials, the hardware, even the clothing, the shoes they are really going up there to fight back of their power. So we're gonna open first the shoes for my husband. I did get him another color because he got this for the first one in Las Vegas. So let's open it. Come with a booklet, nice paper, a pink. So here's the shoes, and we'll get another of the shoes. I really love the color for him. Well, he chose the color. There you go. Nice and beautiful. So now the bag. Nice Coach. Okay, it's a big box. Alright, let me just put that aside. Let me just what we got here. This is including with the box, which is some certificate, a return paper if you want to return, and I guess a receipt. So yeah, that's all. So let's open the bag. They do wrap it really nice, and with the paper, and then with the plastic. Okay, here we go. All right, I can see it already. So are you ready? See the handle? 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's so beautiful. Welcome, baby. And you're gonna meet your sister. Hello, sisters. Oh, so cute. I've been loving so much these days with a handle on the feet. I don't know why, but I love it so much. Oh my god. I managed to take out all the plastic, but I still have left there. Let me show you this tag. This is the tag of the bag. See that? So we got top handle, we got sling bag, shoulder, which is you can choose a lot of sizes you want, and you can also detach it if you want to. And they got this one, and you got a small pocket here. I would not put anything inside there because I don't want to ruin the leather. So let me show you the front, the back, the side. You got a little bit bendy here, and same on the other side, and the feet. I love the look of this bag. It's so simple but beautiful. I love the gold hardware. So let me open it. There's a click in here, there, and it's open like that. And there's more paper again. We got so much paper. Another paper. Okay, another paper. And they have the dust bag. Oh, so cute. Look at that. So cute. Shiny. What else? Another paper. And yum. Okay, this one. So let me show you the bag. It's very tiny, but I think my stuff will fit in here. Oh, another bag. Paper, another paper. Okay, now it's empty. Okay, so they got two compartments, which is larger and kind of almost the same size. And they got a small pocket here. I think this would fit the card holder. I'm gonna show you also what fits in this bag, so at least you got an idea what can fit in this bag. I got paper here, and yeah, that's all. And you get a small pocket here, but maybe some receipt I can put in there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! So I just try to look at my, they kinda, okay, they look almost the same. And then this one. It looks like I like this kind of bag now. That's the bag full of my stuff, and it's a little bit heavy, but it fits a lot. It fits quite a lot of stuff in here and still got space for it. So yeah, let's open it. I'll show you. This is, oops, I don't want to put it in my makeup. So this is how it looked like. I still got plenty space over there and over here. So yeah, let's start from car keys and house keys. I got my spray. I got my powder. Oopsie. And I just used my phone just now, so I borrow my son's phone, and it fits as well, no problem. And my phone definitely can fit in also. And I have lipstick, sanitizer, and the last one is the little bit perfume there. And that's all about it. Oh no, in this little zip here I managed to put my card holder, and you can close it, no problem. There, you can put it, and it's a bit hard to take it off, so if you want, just no need to close the zip and just put that card holder. So yeah, I think it's a good bag even though it's small. I always love small anyway. So yeah, that's it. It's, let me know. I'm gonna show you the shoes, not shoes, it's kind of slides slipper that I bought from Las Vegas as well. They really match the color. Oh my god, I love it. Ah, look at that. I've used this already, and it's super really comfortable. That is so beautiful. The price for this bag is £295. They're on sale just now, but this one is not on sale. But there's a plenty of bags and shoes that is on sale. So if you want to go have a look or treat yourself, go on in Coach and have a look. And they got some like £100 plus, and it's not bad. It's not bad. I think that's it for the video for today, and please let me know if you like these items that I got from Coach, and if you have any question, please let me know. And also, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.